What's up guys, it's Hector, and today I'm excited to talk to you about the best features of the OnePlus 11 5G. What's up Gadgeteers, my name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. So if you're new to the channel and like what you see, consider hitting that subscriber button, and if you've been here before, welcome back and thank you for your time. With that out of the way, let's discuss some of the best features of the OnePlus 11 5G. First up, let's talk about the display. The OnePlus 11 has a massive 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. It is absolutely stunning and perfect for streaming videos, gaming, and just browsing your favorite social media apps. Next, let's talk about the cameras. The OnePlus 11 has a triple lens camera setup, including a 50 megapixel main camera, a 48 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 32 megapixel telephoto camera. I know, only a 32 megapixel, you say? Well, this ensures you that you won't be getting a fake picture of the moon when you try to take a picture of it. Please, stop. No more pictures of the moon. We all know how it looks by now. Samsung showed us. With that being said, this means you can capture stunning photos and videos with incredible detail, and with features like portrait mode and night mode, you'll be able to get the perfect shot every time. Another great feature of the OnePlus 11 is its powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. This means you can run multiple apps at once, play graphic intensive games, and stream content without any lag or slowdowns. But what about the battery life? Well, the OnePlus 11 has a massive, and I mean massive, 5,000 milliamp battery that can easily last you all day with heavy use. And with the support of SuperVOOC 80 watts, how much? 80 watts! You can get a full day's worth of battery life in just 25 minutes of charging. Who needs wireless charging when you get speeds like that? But that's not all. The OnePlus 11 also supports 5G connectivity, but we knew that. But for those who didn't, there you go. 5G has a sleek and stylish design and runs Oxygen OS 13, which is based on Android 13 and is well known for being very fast and very customizable. Overall, the OnePlus 11 is an incredible phone with a ton of amazing features that make it perfect for anyone who wants a powerful and reliable device. I personally highly recommend it to anyone out there in the market for a new phone. Don't believe me? Try it out yourself. OnePlus is so confident in the OnePlus 11 5G that they are going to let you try it for 100 days. Yes, 100 days. And if you regret your purchasing decision, simply return it for a, for a full refund. Yes, you heard me right, a full refund. What are you waiting for? Go try it. In order to take advantage of this awesome deal, head over to the description of the video and the link will be provided there for you. If you have any questions regarding anything I mentioned in this video, hit me up down in the comment section below and I'll try to answer it to the best of my ability. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.